Here is the unit circle in degrees. If we start at 0, we go 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 135 degrees, 150 degrees, 180 degrees. 180 degrees is half of a circle. 210, 225, 240, 270, 300, 315, 330, and 360 makes a full circle. Now let's talk about dividing the circle into equal parts. So if I just rotate 30 degrees, I have a segment this big. If I go another 30 degrees, I have another segment, and these aren't perfect per my drawing. So see the 3 segments? 4, 5, 6. 180 degrees is pi radians. So if I'm splitting this into, I'm splitting half of a circle into 6, this will be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, which is 1. I can continue going around the circle, and you'll see one more of these. Oh, I didn't really do that in the lines very well. Next one, and the next one. Each of these is a 30-degree rotation. Here, here, we're ignoring the blue lines, and here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pieces. Each of these is another 6, so because when we get to the finished circle, we have 2 pi. So now let's add the fractions relative to pi. So remember that when we get here, this is pi at the half circle, and then when we finish going around the circle, we'll have 2 pi total for the circle. So we're dividing this top half circle into 6. So I'm going to have pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and 6 pi over 6. If I want to keep going, I have 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6. I can simplify some of these. This becomes pi over 3. This becomes pi over 2. This becomes 2 pi over 3. This becomes pi. This becomes 4 pi over 3. This becomes 3 pi over 2. This becomes 5 pi over 3. And this is fine the way it is. Notice that this would have been 12 pi over 6, which is 2 pi. Notice that the fractions with the denominator of 6 correspond to the lighter green, and the denominator of 3 correspond to the darker green. So now let's look at the quarter circles, or the quarters. If we divide the top half of the circle into 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can keep going. Bottom half 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can give these fraction names as well. This will be pi divided by 4 because it's 180 degrees, or pi divided into 4 parts. This is 2 pi over 4, or pi over 2 at the top. This is pi, 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4 is pi. 5 pi over 4 is down here. 6 pi over 4 is 3 pi over 2. 7 pi over 4 is over here. And 8 pi over 4 would be our 2 pi ending.